Akiheana uteithio wake kuri makiria ma ciana 1,000 kuma micini ya guthitira ciana cia ndigwa 54. President William Ruto ni agathiririe itemi riria micii ya ciana inyitaga kugitira ihoto cia ciana ta ici iria kaingi na kaingi igwaga ugwatini wa kwaga uthaitiri mwega. Giikaro-ini giki president akioya ithenya riri gutetera watho wa kugitira ciana uria wiriga kuhitukio.
Tutahakikisha kwamba serikali itaweka mipango kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna mtoto Kenya ambaye analelewa vibaya ama anaumizwa ama anafanyiwa vibaya either na wazazi ama na mtu mwingine yeyote.
President no ugite ni ataukitwo ni hathara iria uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia ireheire ciana riu akiranira kurutithania wira hakuhi makiria na aciari kuhitana na ndamathia ino.
As government of Kenya, we will do the best we can to work with parents so that we can provide the best possible education, the best possible opportunities, the best possible environment, ensure that we protect our children from drugs, protect our children from abuse of substances, protect our children from bad influence, and secure our future.
No na gukire uguo president ni arutire mukana aciari aria makoretwo makiuna ihoto cia ciana.
Wale walikuwa hapa mbele simameni.
Mwena-ini wake First Lady William Ruto ni agathiririe aria manyitaga itemi gutigira micii ya ciana ni ehanda na njira ya uteithio wa indo cia mahuthiro ona kibesha.
Acha tu niwatie moyo, niwaambie kwamba Biblia inasema tusichoke tukitenda mema. Do not be weary in doing good, because in due time you will get your reward if you do not give up.
And I want to thank you, the men and women who run our children's home, not just in Eldoret, but across Kenya. The people who have the godly big heart to look after orphans, to look after those who don't have parents, to look after the disabled, to look after the fatherless and the motherless, that you are carrying out God's work because you are standing in the place of God to be the parents or the fathers of the fatherless.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Retoria Kone Mwaura, Wadongo.